I think one of the biggest things that teams get wrong is that they don't realize that, and then they assume that if it just kind of works for them and they've tried it and it seems to be okay, that it'll work fine in production. That's not necessarily the case, because people might have very different experiences of using the product when they're throwing their own data at it. So the first thing to do is to log everything, record everything that the AI does, make sure that every step of the process is captured, somewhere that you can analyze. The second step is to take those recordings and do manual evaluations of them. So make sure that you are going through them step by step and figuring out, is this a good response for the AI or not? Odds are on that the response won't be that good to start with. It'll be okay, perhaps quite bad, and surprisingly bad for you in some cases. So the next step then is to start building and obviously improving your prompts, and then go through the same systematic scientific process to see what percentage of responses are good, and hopefully you want that to be going up. But in just the same way that you would measure engineering optimization and efficiency, you want to measure the effectiveness of your LLM, maybe as a percentage of positive chat experiences, for example, or reducing the number of negative experiences where the AI didn't do what you wanted. After you've done that, you can get into more advanced things, like if that gets boring and manually evaluating is difficult, doesn't scale, then you can start using or training an LLM to actually do that evaluation for you, and then you can start doing automatic improvement of prompts and things like that. So there are some more advanced techniques, but the first step is to start logging everything and then making sure that you're measuring and responding to the kinds of things that are happening in the real world.